Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to find out how to add data fields and relationships in Adalo free plan. The link to Adalo will be in the description, so make sure to check it out. First, open your browser and go to the Adalo website. Once the page loads, log into your Adalo account. After logging in, select the app where you want to add data fields. Now click on the Database tab from the top menu. Choose an existing collection or click Add Collection to create a new one. Once the collection opens, click on Add Field. Select the field type, such as text, number, image, or date. Enter a name for the field and save it. Repeat this process to add all required data fields. Now to create a relationship, click on Add Relationship. Choose the related collection you want to connect. Select the relationship type, such as one-to-many or one-to-one. Confirm the relationship and save the changes. Once that's done, your data fields and relationships are ready to use in the app. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next one.